Hi Stallions! Today's learning goal is I can identify and use text features to better understand a text. For this lesson, you will need a buddy and your My Book. If you need to go get those materials, please pause the video and press play when you are ready to go. All right, let's begin our lesson on text features. Did you know narrative nonfiction texts often include headings to separate the parts of the text? Kind of like the chapters of a book. In informational texts, we use headings to show a new topic or central idea. A heading alerts readers that the story is moving on to a new idea. Here are some examples of some of these text features you will see in your text. Authors also include a variety of visuals to help readers grasp the ideas presented. These visuals add additional information or to clarify the information in the text. A lot of times you see captions or labels to help you explain what is shown in that visual. Those will be your graphic features. In nonfiction texts about historical events, a timeline helps readers to see the events in the order they happen by providing dates and places. This helps readers understand and quickly see how ideas and events unfold. You see many of those in the text we're reading today. Other visuals, such as historical maps and drawings, can help readers see how people of the past presented ideas and what knowledge that had. Let's dive deeper into the text and find some text features. To begin, we're going to start on page 282 in the text, St. Augustine, A Story for America. Press pause while you and your buddy turn to that page and press play when you're ready to continue. How do the headings on page 282 add to the meaning of the text? Pause the video and discuss with your partner how the headings add to the meaning of the text and press play when you're ready to continue. I hope you and your buddy had some great conversation. These headings show the topic of each section in the text. We have a heading here, here, and here. How does the timeline add meaning to the text? Pause and discuss how the timeline adds meaning to the text with your partner and press play when you're ready to continue. Great job, Stallions! Did you say the timeline shows the events in chronological order by date? If you did, kiss your brain. Very important to read these text features along with the text as you're reading to learn more. Let's look at another page. Go ahead and turn to page 284 in the text. What do you learn from looking at the map from 1591? Check out this old map over here. Discuss with your partner what you can learn from looking at the map and press play when you're ready to continue. Good job, Stallions! Did you and your partner say that the map helps you understand where places mentioned in the text are located? If you did, give yourself a pat on the back. Great job! Let's think about some more text features. Turn to page 289 in the text. What features do you see here? Photos? Great job! How do the photographs and the captions contribute to the meaning of the text? Press pause and discuss this with your partner and press play when you're ready to continue. Are you having some good discussions with your partner? I sure hope so. I think the photos show how the cannonballs barely damaged the fort. See it in the pictures? It also shows the courtyard. This helps me imagine what 1,500 people crowded inside must have been like. Can you picture that in your mind? It's pretty wild, huh? You guys did a fantastic job today. Your learning goal was to identify and use text features to better understand the text. I hope this video helped. Now you'll be ready to do some practice activities. Great job!